Oh my god, you guys, it's already day 12 of the Advent of Logos 2024. Hello world, it's day 12 of the Advent of Logos 2024, and I am so excited to show you the brand that I have today, or the logo that I made for a real estate agency. The real estate agency is called Novin. Novin? Whatever. You will read it however you want. I will read it Novin. Novin is a modern, efficient, and innovative real estate agency that focuses on simplifying the home buying, selling, and rental processes. With a technology-forward approach, Novin provides services such as virtual property tours, AI-driven property matching, real-time market analytics, and personalized client consultations. So we can see from the brief that it's also, it's a real estate agency, but also has some tech flair, just like yesterday's logo about the HR agency. The agency serves as a one-stop destination for individuals and businesses navigating the real estate market. Okay, so yesterday the HR agency was focused more on businesses, but here real estate agencies, obviously they should be focused on clients as well, because they're the ones who buy the properties. So they're focused both on companies that maybe invest in properties as well as individuals who want to buy a property. The name Novin derives from the Latin root novus, meaning new, symbolizing innovation, fresh beginnings, and modernity. The brand was founded to disrupt the often complex and outdated real estate processes by offering streamlined, tech-enabled services that bring clarity and ease to the market. Novin embodies the idea of a new way to experience real estate where every step is intuitive and client-centered. And so for the ideal client is someone who prioritizes a seamless and straightforward real estate experience. They are tech-savvy, goal-oriented, and appreciate innovative solutions that save time and reduce stress. This client values a blend of efficiency and personal touch, trusting Novin to deliver transparency and results. I am so excited to show you what I made for Novin. So, I think Novin's logo is very simple, yet I think it relays very well in its simplicity what Novin actually does. I think, or my intention was that the logo mark looks like lowercase n, but also it looks sort of like a house in some way that I'm not really sure how exactly, but yeah, this was the intention. Looks like a house, but it's also lowercase n. And the typeface that I chose for the word mark is space grotesque. And the only thing I manipulated here in the type was the letter N's over here that have they usually have the straight lines like this, but I just curved them a little bit so that they look like this one. I also had another idea with the eye also being curved, and the small house or like the logo mark that looks like a house would have a tiny door in it, but I really didn't like how it looks. It looks wrong and I didn't know how to fix it. So I removed the small door and I removed the curvature of the eye because I don't know, it sort of breaks the repetition in some way that I cannot really express with my words, but I just feel that it's wrong. Such a designer, wow. Some of the other ideas for logos was that this also would look like a lowercase n, but also would look like a house or something with a chimney. The other path that I chose was that the half circle represents sunrise, and because sunrise, it's a new day, and novin coming from novus, new, means yeah, new, like this sunrise representing the new day. There was also an idea with the O in the name being cut like this, being a sunrise. And this is sort of the same thing. It came from the idea that it would sort of look like this, like a backwards N maybe, but then I made these two lines sort of like a shelter, like protecting this. This whole thing is a protection of some sort, like a shelter, because houses are shelters. But in my very professional, not so much professional opinion, I like this mark best. It's simple, it works well with the typography. I made lowercase n, the first letter, the initial letter, I made the lowercase, mostly to fit the icon. But I think it works pretty well. Like the whole word is balanced like this, I think, instead of with the capital N. Also is associated with like technological companies, tech-driven businesses, and other things like that. So it connects with that aspect of the brand. And for colors, I actually ask you guys. What I saw online was that a lot of these real estate brands from Behance, for example, I don't know how many of them are real, have like orange in their color palettes. And I really wanted to also use orange. And I decided this color palette would look really nice because the dark blue is associated with trust and reliability. And the orange will be associated with, well, first of all, it's complementary to the blue, but also it's associated with this sunrise that I had in mind for the new beginnings, new days, and stuff like this. So I think this color palette looks really nice, but I also wanted a nice green palette because the green is very nice, calm color, and it's associated with eco-friendliness, balance, and I think it would fit the house aspect of that. Like, you're looking for a reliable and friendly real estate agent, are you? I don't know, but I think this also looks really nice. But I'm sort of leaning to the blue and the orange from the brief because we are targeting not only individuals but also companies, so maybe this one. But yeah, let me know down in the comments which one you prefer, or maybe you have any other ideas. That is also fine. And I'm also excited to have this as a whole identity sometime in the future, and I might do a video about it. Let me know if you're interested in seeing that. And yeah, this was the logo for Novin, which is day 12 of the Advent of Logos. I am so excited to have you guys watch this process, to be maybe work alongside me as well. And yeah, comment down below with the house emoji in the comments, and write any other comments that you want as well. Like the video, please, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 13. Bye!